Okay, so this is my video walkthrough. I'm going to be demonstrating exactly what I did on the project. So let's say, for example, I will log in with admin1 credentials. Upon clicking sign in, it provides a toast message saying admin must sign in using admin button. So I will then click admin button. On click of this, it guides us over to the welcome admin page. So I will then do manage users. And as you can see, there's accounts already implemented or saved in the database. I'm going to create a new account, user2, add user. User is added. Alrighty, I'm going to sign out. User2. And user2 is able to be signed in. Sign out. I'm going to go back to user1 using user1 credentials. Sign in. Sign back out. I'm going to go sign in with admin credentials one more time. I'm going to click admin, manage users. I'm going to delete this user. I'm going to go back. And I'm going to try again to sign in with the credentials, the user2 credentials I just deleted. It says user2 isn't a valid username. So these are all the implementations I worked on, I created. I also helped out in other regions as well. All right, thank you.
Hi, this is Sylvia, and I'm just going to go over the features I worked on. So the features I worked on were Hamster Home and Adoption Center, which are these two. So to make these two, I created the files Hamster Entity, the Hamster DAO, Hamster Adapter, Hamster View Holder, and Hamster View Model, which are here. The Hamster Home Activity, Hamster Adoption Activity, and the XMLs for Hamster Adoption and Hamster Home. The Hamster Home and Adoption Center will display the appropriate hamsters using the same recycler view. So as you can see, in Hamster Home we only have Hamster 1, and in the database you can see Hamster 1 is the only one with the user ID of an owner and an adoption date. Similarly, for the Adoption Center, it only has these 3 hamsters, and they don't have a user ID, and they also don't have an adoption date. Another feature I implemented was for these adopt buttons to work. So when the user clicks adopt, the hamster gets adopted. It disappears from the adoption center, and the user can see it in the hamster room. And as you can see, the hamster we just adopted, Bob, has its values updated in the database. The last feature I implemented was the care button. So when the user clicks the care button, they are redirected to Hamster Details activity. And And that's it.
Hi, this is Kan. This is a feature that I working on. So I'm working on hamster detail activity and hamster manage hamster activity. Um, so when we log it in, user one. So for hamster manage hamster activity, right? We go here. We add a hamster. We put the name right here. And then we open the hamster room. We're gonna see the new hamster right here. And then we go to activity. We do the all legit version over here. Then back. Go here. Go to hamster room. You can do the hamster activity over here also, like care this. That's all.
Hi, this is Charmaine, and I'm going to quickly walk through the features that I helped build for our Hamster Companion app. I focused on the database integration, care logging, hamster interaction, and also the routing of the pages. I helped create, well, I did create the GitHub, and I created the repository. So here, this is the hamster repository. I created the user DAO and also the user entity, and I helped with the sign-in activity. So as soon as I log in, the app, it validates the username and password using the room database, and the sign-in activity sends the authenticated user ID and username into the main activity with the intent extras. So this takes me to the hamster home, which I helped route to, and it loads every hamster that belongs to the user. So I helped set up the recycler view in the room database. So when you click on care, so now you can tap feed, clean, play, and rest. I helped with that to update the hamster stats and store a care log record in the room. So when you click here on the care log, it shows all of the entries here appearing from those activities. And then the care log screen just records all of that for the specific hamster. It uses the live data to automatically update when the logs are added. So I helped with the care log activity and the care log adapter. So if you press back here and back, you can click on the adoption center, and I helped route it to this page. And that is my contribution. Thank you very much.
And then to run the test, all tests pass. Alrighty.